hello. I'm so excited. I got my second big inventory order. I have done a couple here and there with customers that have ordered things I haven't had on hand. But today, this bad Mama Jamma came in. It was almost 9 pounds. So, I'm so excited. It's not quite $600 wholesale. It's about near 500s, in the upper 400s. So I'm going to open this Mama Jamma and show you guys what I got and explain why. I'm trying to do the consistency challenge where every month I put in my $600 order. So I am now, because of this one, about $150, $155 away. So I'm hoping I can make some sales and be able to get that $600 total. So anyway, wow, this is a lot. Let's go through it. Sorry if my head is cut off. Let me try to back up the camera a little bit. That's a complaint I get in my videos. My sister's like, your head's cut off. Anyway, the first thing is I got another pair of hydrogel eye patches. There is a challenge right now for July for all of Mary Kay to sell 125,000 units. So I already have one of these, but I have two because I really want to push these the last couple days of July. And now I see Pore Minimizer, and I ordered this because someone told me they wanted it. They couldn't really afford the Microdermabrasion Plus set right now, but they did want the Pore Minimizer, so I ordered that because I do have the set, but I didn't want to take it out of the box because it comes in a special little box. So got one of these. And now, okay, I wanted one of every skincare set. The Clear Proof one is out of stock currently, and the men's line, I just don't really need that right now. Mainly I sell to women. I do sell to my dad, but I don't know if he'd buy the whole men's skincare line. But anyway, I got the Botanical Effects line, and so all of those products should be in here somewhere. But for now, this is the cleansing gel for the Botanical Effects. I got the MK Men shaving cream. This is for my dad's birthday. So I did get something MK Men that I can show. This is the, I guess, shave foam, but same thing. And then I got another Clear Proof mask just because my dad reorders these. I think of what my customers order and I go ahead and get it. I got some Mary Kay sunscreen because it's the summer and I need sunscreen, and if I use it and it works, I can sell that. I'm trying to get everything that's not in the big bags first. This is a blending brush. It's the one that looks like this. It's like a, basically I'd call it like a foundation brush, kind of like a paddle. I got this because I don't have any like foundation brushes for Mary Kay right now. I just have the Essential Brush Kit. I will go through this bag in a bit. I got a cello bag. I don't know why, but hey. So, cellophane bag. This is is this one of their other foundation brushes? Yes, it's the one that's got the slanted top. It's a foundation brush. That's cute and nice and convenient. That comes in a bag like this. I got a Pro palette. I wanted this because I ordered a ton of eyeshadows. I ordered one of every shade. The only one that was out of stock was Starry Night, and I looked today and it's back in stock. And I was like, really? I was only a couple days off, but I need to go ahead and get this in. So I'm going to put all of my eyeshadows and other things that I got in this Pro palette because it's magnetic. So that's where that comes in. Next I got another Microdermabrasion Plus set. I haven't sold my first one yet, but some things I'm ordering so that I can show and tell them. So that's why I now have 2 of these, but I ordered this because it's a popular skincare thing. It exfoliates and minimizes the look of pores. This is Botanical Effects Moisturizing Gel, so that's part of that set. And then the Botanical Effects Refreshing Toner, again part of the Botanical Effects. Next, because my order totaled a certain amount, I got another tray to do parties on. This is like the mirror tray and all of that. And ooh, this this is big, 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 big. Woo! I got packing peanuts everywhere. This is the Big Daddy. This is a Time-Wiser repair set. I think this is the Mac Daddy of Mary Kay. This is like advanced skincare repair. I think this is our top of the line thing. So, yes, got this. And I got this again. I wanted one of every skincare set. So that way when I have parties, I can show what they look like instead of holding a picture up. So that is the empty box. And so now I will go into the bag. This video may be shorter than I thought. This is, okay, with my order I got a couple things for free because I'm still in my Great Start. This is the last month to be in Great Start. So I got for free the Shea Butter Balm Satin Lips. I got the Open for Business bundle. So I get to sell this for 100% profit. And I picked the Open for Business one because I already have the line of foundations I got last time, and I have Time War stuff that I can personally use. And I wanted some stuff I didn't have, so Satin Lips was included in the Open for Business. So that's why I got that. And then here we have the Perfecting Concealer. So this is what I got for myself. I got it in Light Ivory, the lightest shade, so that I can use it because I'm making a YouTube video of full face Mary Kay and then also popular competitors Mary Kay, so I needed a concealer. This is the Lash Love Mascara. My stepsister really, really likes this and said she'd definitely be reordering. So again, knowing my customers reorder, I got this. Now I think okay, wait, never mind. Here is the Lash Love Mascara in I Heart Black. Is this the same? Did I get the same thing? I guess I got two of these. Okay, I got two Lash Love mascaras. And so yeah, I think the next part is just eyeshadows. What did I'm trying to remember what was in the Open for Business bundle because this was empty, so I really thought I got a makeup remover. Hold on. I should have, I think, gotten an oil-free eye makeup remover. There might be a little mess up right here. Let's see. Good thing I'm recording myself opening all this. What is included? Okay, the cello bag was for the satin lips. Where's the Open for Business bundle? Yeah, what's included in the Open for Business bundle? I need to Google that. Let me see real quick. Sorry guys, I really thought it included a makeup remover. Let's do a little Google search. Mary Kay. Oh wait, no, I can look on the app, on the Great Start app. That's right, instead of Googling. 1 second here. Sorry guys. But basically, while I'm waiting for that to load, what's in here is I got one of every color shade blush, and then I got a contour color, and then one of every shade of eyeshadows except the Starry Night one. My app is currently loading. Alright, let's see. Tracking reports. Where is the... Okay, no, I was wrong. The Open for Business bundle included the Satin Lips, the Microdermabrasion Plus set, and the Clear Proof. So that's why I got Open for Business. It's all good. It was, my thinking was wrong because there's a bunch of different free bundles you can pick from, and so I was probably thinking that I had gotten the Skincare Solutions one, which includes the eye makeup removers. Never mind, we're all good. There is no mess up here. But again, I picked the Open for Business bundle because same reasons still. My dad likes the charcoal mask, microdermabrasion set is popular, and I wanted some stuff I didn't have. So, okay, we're good there. Now, let's talk about this big bag. I'm just gonna kind of take it all out. Okay, I also got one of every shade of highlighters. There's 2 shades of highlighters. That's what I'm seeing here. This one is Honey Glow. And eyeshadows. I don't really know if you guys would be interested in me going through every single shade. I'll just read them as I go. Burnished Bronze, Evening Navy, That was an eyeshadow too. Darling Pink blush. Gold Status eyeshadow. Glazed highlighter, so I have the 2 highlighters now. Rose Gold eyeshadow. Cashmere eyeshadow. Mahogany eyeshadow. A lot of these are going to be eyeshadows. Granite eyeshadow. Here's a blush in the shade Rogue Rose. Another blush in Wineberry. Soft Heather eyeshadow. I'm excited about this one because my name is Heather, and so I was like, oh, yes, I get to get this one. Here's a blush in Hot Coral. Sunlit Rose eyeshadow. Okay, this is the Chroma Fusion Contour in the shade Latte. And so this one is the cooler, lighter tone. They had a warmer tone, but I won't be able to use that, and I'll like CVS it or order it when someone with a darker skin tone wants it. Merlot eyeshadow. Onyx eyeshadow. Dusty Rose eyeshadow. Crystalline eyeshadow. Juicy Peach blush. Shiny Penny eyeshadow. That one's cute. Hint of Pink blush. This one's a very light pink. Smoky Quartz eyeshadow. Hazelnut eyeshadow. Moonstone eyeshadow. Blossom eyeshadow. Rosy Nude blush. Desert Rose blush. Moss eyeshadow. Biscotti eyeshadow. Cinnabar eyeshadow. Emerald eyeshadow. Sweet Plum eyeshadow. Shadow eyeshadow. Frozen Iris eyeshadow. Espresso eyeshadow. Stormy eyeshadow. Almost done. Sandcastle eyeshadow. Golden Copper blush. And Golden Mauve eyeshadow. So that is all of the things I got. This video is quicker than I thought. The satin lips you can put in this little cellophane bag and then wrap it up super cute, put a ribbon on it if someone orders that. So I am super excited with all the stuff that I got. I got the whole Botanical Effects set. I got the Big Daddy Time Wise Repair set, all the eyeshadows except Starry Night, all of the blushes, all of the highlighters, and I got this because I really want to fill up this Pro palette. I think this one's going to be mine. I'm going to put everything in here. That way I can display it and show you how much truly fits in here and also what every color looks like. And so if I do a party in person and someone's like, well, what are their eyeshadow range and blush range and highlighter and contour range? It's in my Pro palette, and I'll use this for personal use too. And that way when people see me apply it, then they truly know what it looks like. And because we can't try before we buy right now with Corona, they can see it on me, and then because I'm using it and I can sell it that way. So I'm super excited. I'm going to use a bunch of this stuff for personal use, and then when people see me liking it, hopefully they'll want it too. And so I'm super excited. I think my favorite thing would be the Pro palette. I'm just really excited about that, to finally have a Mary Kay palette. So that's everything, guys. This is my second major Mary Kay order for my inventory, and I'm gonna have so much fun putting this on my shelves. Oh, I love organizing. I know that's crazy. Some people hate it, but I love organizing. So this was just a chill video. I don't remember or not if I mentioned in the beginning, I am in my PJs because it's currently 10:02 at night, and I was like, you know what? It doesn't have to be formal. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just chill. I'm in my PJs talking to you guys, and it's relatable, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and those are all the things that I got and why I got them, and I'm so close to my July goal, and I have 2 recruits. I'm almost in red. I'm so excited. So thank you guys so much for watching and continuing to be invested in my Mary Kay journey. Stay pretty and stay fabulous. Bye, guys.